fail-proof recipe for unhappiness. 1. Find a scapegoat. Pin the blame for every problem on someone else's shoulders. Never your fault, right? 2. Become a professional complainer. Grumble about everything, big or small. Spread the negativity. 3. Run from challenges. Avoid anything that requires effort or pushes you beyond your comfort zone. Stay stagnant. 4. Wait for a miracle. Expect someone to swoop down and magically solve all your problems. Obsess over approval. Let your every thought be consumed by what others think of you. Validation from strangers is essential. Seek validation online. Constantly chase likes and approval for your ideas on social media. External worth is the only worth. Embrace apathy. Fill your days with idleness and indifference. Why bother trying? In short, want a truly fulfilling life? Take responsibility, practice gratitude, embrace challenges, and believe in your potential. Follow these steps and happiness is within reach.